If you've ever wondered if it really is possible to make money with PLR, that's private label rights, then I am here to tell you that it absolutely is. Now, this video isn't going to be any old fanny, no BS. This is going to be straightforward, actionable content. Plus, I've just released a brand new product, which is 50 Make Money Online ebooks with full unrestricted PLR rights. So first of all, what does PLR mean? Well, that means private label rights. It basically means that I give you a product done for you, and then you can call that product your own. You can put your name to it, or your pen name to it, or whatever you want. You can rename it, you can rebrand it, you can rewrite it, you can reproduce it, you can do whatever you like. There are no restrictions. And of course, the big benefit to that is that it means you've got a product to sell immediately. So the product package that I've just released is 50 various ebooks in the Make Money Online niche, and that's covering all sorts of different angles on Make Money Online. So you could either take the whole package and resell it as is and just make money straight away because it's only $5 for the lot, or you could break it up into bundles of like 10, for example, and sell maybe 10 on the front end and 20 on the first upsell, and then 20, 30, another 20 on the second upsell, just from those 50 books if you wanted to do that. What I'm going to show you in this video today is how to take a piece of PLR and actually get it to the point where you can sell it, because that is the biggest question that I get. Trev, what do we do with these PLR packages? How do we make money from them? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to be using the 50 ebooks that I mentioned in this example, but this will work for any type of PLR you've got. And also this will work if you just want to create your own products using Google Docs and maybe ChatGPT and doing some research on YouTube and that kind of thing. So, but to begin with, we've got the 50 Make Money Online ebooks here. I'm just going to open up this folder. I've unzipped it, and that's going to give you a kind of quick overview as to what you get for your $5. I mean, it's dirt cheap. So if you just want to save a bit of time, or just use these as a template to work on, something to elaborate on, for example. So you can see the different topics that we've got here. 10 ways to make money with ChatGPT, 10 ways to make money with your blog, WordPress development, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, Kindle Authority, ClickBank. I'm just going through, you know, just pick and drop shipping, from zero to side hustle, blah blah blah. So there's 50 there, and you get the PDF and you get the Word doc. But with the Word doc, if you wanted to make any changes to that, if you don't have Word, you can just use Google Docs. You can open any of these Word documents in Google Docs and make any changes that you want. Because it's PLR, that means that you can make any changes that you want. Unrestricted PLR means you can rename the titles. So for example, you might want to go through and rename everything in there and sell it as a different parcel of 50 ebooks and sell it for, I don't know, $49. So buy it for $5 and sell it for $49. Don't even rename all of them separately, just rename the bundle and do the same. All right, that's one of the things that you could do, just as an example. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a platform called Warrior Plus. Now, if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, it's free to get a Warrior Plus account. If you want to become an affiliate, you need to get verified. That will cost you $5. Simple process. In this process, we're going to be a vendor, and I'm going to show you how to do just a very, very simple setup to get your PLR package online ready for sale so that you can make money. Okay, so this is my Warrior Plus dashboard. We're going to go to vendor and then products. And what we need is we need a product, and we need an access. So we need an access document and a sales document. We're going to do that in Google Docs to keep it all nice and simple. All right. So we're going to come over here and we're going to click on new product, and we're going to name it, let's say, how to make money with ChatGPT as an example. All right. So we'll just put that in there. How to make money with ChatGPT. Then choose file for the image. We can do that later, but I mean, that's literally just uploading an image, so I'm sure you can work that out. Category, this is going to be maybe affiliate marketing. Keywords, we can say affiliate marketing, and we could say ChatGPT. All right. Content type, ebook, and then the access, right? So this is product access, download file, or access URL. We're going to use an access URL, and that's going to be quite simple to do. So for the product itself, what we want to do is go over to our Google account, and I'll upload 10 ways to make money with ChatGPT. And I've already done this as a test, so I'm going to say replace existing file, but that wouldn't ask you that question because you wouldn't have it there already. And then we can see that we've got it here ready to go. All right, so this is our product. Just open that in Google Docs. So we now have this as a Google Doc, which means we've got a URL for it. So if we click on share, this will start off with restricted like this. You just need to change it to anyone with the link, and then you copy that link. Okay. All right. So click on share, copy that link. That is going to be the access link that we paste in there. That there is for Warrior Plus to access it. Okay. So we just put in direct, and then personal use, no additional terms, refund period, up to you. You know, if you want to give a refund period. Support email, I've just dropped mine in there. It's open for sale, and then we select I have non-exclusive license to distribute this product, private label PLR. Okay, now if you changed it considerably, so if you took that ebook and you changed the name, you changed the layout, etc., you changed the content, then you can say that it's I am the original creator. But we're just going to make it really simple. We're going to just sell the PLR ebook straight off. Okay, so we just say I have non-exclusive license to distribute this product. Then add disclosure. AI disclosure. Yes, this product contains AI generated content. We're going to say yes because it probably does, and I've just put yes, some of the content was created with the help of AI. We click here to certify that we have the legal right to sell it, and then we choose our pricing. So I've put regular price $27, sale price $4.95. Now bearing in mind you can buy 50 ebooks from me for $5. This is selling one for $4.95. But you know, as I said, you can do whatever you want. You can bundle these up. You could sell the whole lot, the whole 50, and just flip it straight away, and you could sell it for twice the price, 3 times the price, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times the price that I'm selling it for, and make your money that way. You know, it's whatever you want to do. Then you choose your payment methods. If you've got a PayPal account, you can select that. On this one, I've just gone for Stripe. Stripe, you just literally get a Stripe account and connect it. PayPal, you get a PayPal account and you connect it in your Warrior Plus account. Straightforward to do that. And then come down here. No affiliate program. If we were doing a full product launch, yeah, we go for an affiliate program, but we're not. I'm just showing you how to put an ebook up for sale. So we're going to choose to have no affiliate program. And then if you've got an autoresponder, which you really do want to get maybe Aweber or GetResponse, then you click on new connection and you connect your autoresponder, and then everybody that buys this product, you'll get their buyer's email address. Okay. And then we come through and we click on save. And then the next thing you want to do is create an offer. So it says linked offers, create new offer. All right. So we create a new offer, and we're just going to do the same thing again. How to make money with ChatGPT. Description, I put the same. Category and keywords, the same. Deal of the day eligible. Now this is where you could get deal of the day, and it means that Warrior Plus, the platform, would actually promote your product, your offer for you, and you'd get sales. Now in like a one ebook product, you're not going to get deal of the day. That's more like when you've got a funnel and you've got affiliates promoting it, and maybe you've got a fairly big list. But you know, it's something for the future. Now sales page, the sales page needs to go in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a sales page, and we're going to do that with a Google Doc. So we're going to go file, new Google Doc, and this is going to be our sales page. So I just put we just take this from here, how to make money with ChatGPT. Paste that in there. Now what we could do at this stage is we could actually use ChatGPT to write us a sales page, and one of the easiest ways to do that would be to come to the actual ebook itself, select everything, Control C, and then we're going to ask ChatGPT to look at that information and write the sales headline and the sales page for us. I'm going to say please write a sales headline based on this ebook, and I'll just paste the whole lot in and see what it comes up with. It's obviously going through and reading it all. Here we go. Forget side hustles, discover 10 ways to turn ChatGPT into your personal profit machine. Perfect. We didn't have to think about that, did we? You know, it's really, really simple. So we'll come back to our sales page here, and we're just going to paste that in, and then we'll make it look a little bit juicy. Maybe select Poppins, maybe go Poppins and Poppins bold. I want Poppins bold, stay there. Oh my god, why won't it stay? Right, here we go. No, Poppins bold, extra bold. There you go. Make this bigger and center it So this is for our sales page, all right? And then I'm going to say, go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to say thank you, because if AI takes over the world, we want AI to know we were the good guys. Please now write the sales copy to sell it in a simple Google Doc. All right. So this way we don't have to do any work. We don't have to really think about anything at all. It's very, very simple. And this is how to use AI effectively. Now, obviously you can edit what ChatGPT comes up with. You can make changes to it if you don't like what it's saying, but pretty much it's going to be better than us mere mortals could do. So here we've got, the only thing is, always uses the word unlock. And it's always got these funny long lines in as well. It's kind of the way that you can tell that it's AI if it uses the word unlock and if it's got long lines, but we can always take those out. All right, so this is just writing it now. And obviously ChatGPT already knows what's inside the book, so that's good. You know? And this will work, as I said, with any content, any PLR that you've got. All right, so that's nice and simple. We're going to take this, Control C, come back over to our sales page, and then we want to change the font. We go for Montserrat. We're going to go for Montserrat Light. Bring it down a bit. And I'm going to paste this in. There we go. And just like that, you know, we've got a sales page, and it actually is looking a bit like a sales page already, isn't it? And it's been really, really easy to make. All right. Then all we want to do is get our buy link. So we're going to go share, and anyone with the link, copy link back over to our offer sales page URL, paste that in there. Okay. Headline. Now we've got a headline, so we can come back over to this, and this might be a bit too long, but we'll soon see. And we'll paste in the headline. Yeah, we'll just call it forget side hustles. And then description, paste that in there. Okay, and then create. So this is the next step in our offer. Show coupon field, that's if you want to be able to give people money off. And disable checkout reminder. Not really important, those two. The affiliate program we're going to leave off for now, so we're just going to go create, keep this as simple as possible. Now it says it's not active and it requires approval. Right, approval to be shown in the marketplace, you don't have to worry about if you've got your own traffic. So if you're going to be creating, let's say, a YouTube video, for example, selling your ebook, or you're going to run some simple ads on Google or Bing. So Bing ads, Google ads, search ads, for example, how to use ChatGPT, that kind of thing. Then you'll be driving your own traffic. If you wanted to do a full-blown offer and you wanted affiliates to promote for you, then you would submit for approval and you'd get approval to have it shown publicly in the marketplace, but it won't stop you from selling it. In order to sell it though, what we do need to do is activate. So I'm going to activate the offer and just go launch now. If you were going to do a full-blown offer again, a full-blown launch, then you would choose a launch day and you'd put it in munchai.com. But this is just to show you the basics of setting up in order to make a sale through Warrior Plus of your ebooks. Okay, so that's now activated, which means we can now get our code. So if we click here to get our code, you'll see that it says $4.95. And if I just take this part, so this first part that's got the word buy in it, okay, I'll go Control C and then come over to our sales page. And it says click below to grab your copy now. Okay, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on the link and paste that link in and go apply. All right, now this is now the link to the checkout. So this is the sales page, this is the link to the checkout, and if you click on that, you'll see that a clickable link pops up. If we click on that, you'll now see that this is ready to sell. Simple as that. All right, I mean, simple as that. Ready to sell. Pretty cool, I'd say. And that is, I mean, that's the bare bones of it. All right, so I don't want you to think that I've not gone into any great detail here, but what I've shown you is quite simply what you need to do. So you need an access link for whatever you're selling. We've gone straight to the actual ebook itself there. but we could have gone to a members area or a Google Doc with links to, let's say we were selling an ebook and some videos, we could put all those links into the Google Doc, for example, and we would link that then as the access. So you need that access, and then you also need your sales page. Now, I've used a Google Doc as a sales page, so if you don't have a domain and hosting, you don't have to worry. It's literally the simplest way that you can get this on Warrior Plus, you know, without even having to break out the slightest sweat. All right, so hopefully you understood that. If it was complicated in any way, then all you need to do is go back through and just rewind and replay it. Okay, and by the way, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me to help you. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, then click on subscribe and go for notification bell, all notifications, so you don't miss out on any free training. Also in the comments below, just say, Trev, I'm going to give this a go. Let me hear you do that. I will reply personally to all your comments. Do it. So that's how you actually make money with PLR. It's quite a simple process, and once you've done it a few times, it gets easier and easier. Now, if you didn't understand anything that I've taught you today, just go back, rewind, replay, and please feel free to ask me questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please also put some skin in the game and tell me in the comments, just say, Trev, I'm going to give this a go. I love it when you do that. I will personally reply to you and give you all the encouragement that you need. Now, don't forget to pick up those 50 ebooks at that special price, just $5. Use the link below this video. I'll see you on the next video. All the best.